Hey. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying so hard to like shift the weight and then like, you know, like I listen to my cha-cha-chas and I feel like I'm just like flying across. Like,
no, but it's good though. It's good that we challenge you a little bit, you know what I'm saying, right? You cannot only stay stuck with the things that you're comfortable with. No. You cannot only do that. You have to get a little bit of challenge. So I know it's a breathe a little bit. I know it can be a little bit challenging, but it's good though. It's very good. Don't worry about it.
Very.
Yeah. It's very good. Yeah. Angelina, you just be right there and help us center this. Mangido. Yeah. Yeah. Just help us center,
Oh, you don't have a level? Like a little level just to see if it's straight or not?
C'est des yeux qui vont dire.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it's you.
Okay.
C'est des yeux qui vont dire.
Okay, so I feel already, well, it would have to look up a bit for me to side.
Like the way I'm doing.
Oh yeah, just to see it fully.
Like
Okay,
flat.
so what you mean,
Yeah, so
Okay, like,
a
well,
little bit up because of the couch.
okay.
Oh, mais plus que ça, ouais.
Yeah, about like there. Yeah.
Actually, try to do from the top.
Mais tu sais que.
It's too high, right? It's too high?
Well, she won't be able to reach right now.
No, I can reach it though.
See it.
Yeah, well,
But I feel you might maybe just need to drop it like, let's say, an inch or two from the top.
okay.
Just so it could look, you know, for your videos and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get that. See,
Okay.
yeah.
So more to the Gila.
N'oublie pas avec le couch aussi, ouais.
Like, no, yeah. Like
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It's already counted. With
What if I come hold it and then Gita, you go check quickly for the eyeing because it might have to lift up for sure.
Get a chair, Gila. There's not a little bunk right there, no?
Il y a des petites chaises, mais ce serait pas pour qu'elles se mettent dessus, non.
Yeah.
You guys have like scotch tape? Like for example, scotch tape is secured temporarily, so you can adjust up until you feel.
Good.
No?
Yeah, this one is good. Yeah, this one is good. She don't weigh that much anyway. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's much better.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay,
So let's say a little inch down, right?
De ton côté à droite,
A little down?
on your side, but her, she's good for now.
Right there is good. Angelina, hold it like that.
Tiens-le comme
Flat.
ça.
Yeah,
Yeah,
flat, yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Attends, ok, comme ça, attends. A little tiny down from you. Ok.
Yeah.
Ça a l'air pas pire. Mais my question, là maintenant je vais te dire, pour que toi tu viennes voir par rapport au couch.
No, it's good. It's good. It's good for the couch, yeah. It's good for the couch, yeah.
Je suis plus pas train de regarder.
Yeah. That's good. No, I'm
Look.
Yeah, we don't want to make any decisions.
Non, ouais. Pas après ça.
Yeah, exactly.
Non, ouais.
Be careful.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, it's perfect though.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, it's perfect. So Angelina, you can this thing. Hey, be careful. Yeah, I got you. So right here, right here, I can start. Let's say, I pivot from the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Hold on. You guys can focus on the top. Oh, this is one. Oh, it's white though. It's a whole white thing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Ça va coller sur le mur.
Yeah.
Je pense que tu vas pas commencer.
On top?
I'm wondering, yeah? You put a little.
Right here on top.
No?
So one side. Hold on. You gotta hold it up.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
I don't think
No?
so, but
T'aurais préféré en bas?
well, because let me see. You gotta hold it tight, okay?
Yeah, I'm holding over
Yeah.
where I am, yeah?
So wait. Take a little bit on the side. Yes. Like that, right? 1 second. I'm gonna need the bubble wrap holder. I'll release that and press right here.
Puis là,
Let that side go.
let it go.
Just this side under. Oh my God. Angela, what you doing, man? No. Keep the same one.
Here?
Yeah, right here. Let it go just a little bit.
Okay.
No.
C'est pas la fois.
Oh. Yeah.
I think.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job, bird. How was it?
Oh, hold on.
You gotta take it. Yeah, you gotta take it. No.
Ça quoi?
You have to remove the thing.
Ah, ok.
Yeah, because
Like
it's
this?
short. Move.
Attention.
Yeah. Just remove a little bit while
Are you holding it?
I feel like we should peel all the top first, no?
Yeah, the top, all the top, yeah.
So if it's start, you'll have to get up on the couch. You're gonna start peeling from the top there, just put it in the bed so you can
I
see
got a better way.
Okay.
I got a better way. Roll that thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because we just
Roll.
wanna make sure it's fully level too.
Yeah. Roll that
You
thing.
know, okay, here, I'm holding it here.
Let's see.
Okay. Gentle. Do you want me to do it? Here, you can hold here. I'm gonna do it, hold on.
Hey,
You can step on the couch if you want.
Yeah, wait a second, it's just because I'm gonna fall if I have to.
Yeah.
Non, c'est un petit peu à la fois.
Yeah.
Okay, just don't glue it yet. Don't glue it yet to the wall. Just until I can go back and just check, make sure that it's level. Okay, can you peel from your corner, Manuel? Peel from the corner.
From here?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so just hold this for now, 2 seconds. Just hold it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here.
Là, il va falloir lui mettre le couteau.
Yeah, yeah.
Attends.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Right here. You have enough material right there.
Okay. So now I need you to go check to see where it's gonna be leveled at.
Hold on.
Oh, there's like a huge spider right here thing. I don't want to scare the
Yeah,
spiders.
okay, good,
You think that's good?
good.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Now,
you want to
now.
come start swooping from this side?
Yeah, hold on. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Yeah, this side gotta lower a little bit.
Okay.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. I think this
I think
one.
you might have to, can you pull it
Yeah,
out of
yeah,
it?
pull it out a bit, yeah.
Does it work?
Ooh,
Yeah.
more like right here, right?
Yeah, just.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Stretch that thing right there, man.
Okay.
Hold on, the top gotta stretch.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Like this?
yeah, okay.
I don't feel like it's,
No, you gotta go a little lower.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's because, are you sure it's leveled like
Ça,
that?
peut-être pas, c'est le logo qu'on
Yeah,
regardait.
yeah,
Regarde
Oh,
tout.
okay.
On
Yeah,
va
yeah.
le dérouler puis
No,
regarder.
it's actually lined though.
I don't think
It's
it was.
actually lined. No, your eye is crooked right here.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on. Just a little bit. Yeah. Just a little bit.
As soon as we do the first layer, then we'll
Yeah,
make
we'll,
this check and then
yeah.
readjust if needed.
So
Yes.
colle pas trop.
Huh?
Don't colle pas trop du top if we have to take it out and readjust it, no? You feel it's straight?
Yeah.
I feel here it's straight, but I guess going there, I'm not sure. I guess we'll see.
No.
It's
Just look at that line. It's one
Yeah?
hand.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one hand.
Okay.
Yeah. If it's a little crooked, who cares?
Okay, now I feel good.
I mean, we're not professionals, right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
We're just trying to do a
Yeah.
business right here, man. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. The last part is
Okay, yeah.
the most. This part is right here the most.
Meticulous. Do I let go?
Yeah, let go.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, can you like just unroll it a bit, I guess, just to
Yeah.
see, or? I mean, yeah, I think it should be fine, guys.
Yeah, man.
Maybe,
Yeah, man.
yeah, it'll be fine.
Yeah, man.
Like, it's fine.
She said it's fine, okay.
I mean, you know,
You want to hold the roll, or? Oh,
the
here, do you want me to peel back, or
yeah, the
someone
peel back.
hold some peels? to
I
it?
actually, you know what?
Yeah.
Actually, you know what, Mangido?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hey.
You're gonna hold it like this, so then it's
Yeah.
not. Wait, whoa,
So
don't do too much. Don't
Yeah.
do too much.
Just stretch, guys. Just stretch.
Yeah.
I'll keep on doing the painting. Yeah, I'll keep on doing the painting. Mangido.
Mm-hmm.
Right here, you gotta stretch a little bit. So that way no bubbles come on. Yeah. Quer ser colher?